Before I kickstart with the movers in trade today, here's wishing all of our viewers a very happy and a safe Diwali as well as a prosperous and a healthy new year. Now let me get you the stocks that are moving in trade today. First, let me talk about the benchmark indices. Our benchmark indices are actually seeing a sideways movement today. We had a weak handover from the US markets as well as the Asian markets were pretty weak today. You had the Japanese markets that actually snapped a winning streak due to rise in COVID-19 cases. Record high cases is what Japan registered yesterday. That is the reason why the market snapped a gaining streak today. But when you're talking about our benchmark indices, the Nifty is trying to hold on to the 12,700 level. You have Nifty Bank that's outperforming the benchmark, as well as the broader markets as your mid cap and the small cap indices are actually outperforming the benchmark indices as well. But the first stock that is moving in trade today and I'd like to talk about is Eicher Motors. Despite weak set of Q2 earnings, that particular counter is soaring in trade today. The stock is up over 7%, most in over 5 years. It's at a 2-year high. Jefferies is maintaining a buy stance on Eicher Motors. They've raised their target as well. Jefferies has noted that the demand commentary from the management was positive. They're also saying they believe that Royal Enfield offers a strong long-term growth outlook given its differentiated products, strong franchise, as well as industry premiumization tailwind. The stock is up for a 9th straight session today. Next is Jubilant Food. That stock has soared in trade today. It's at its record high levels. CLSA has upgraded the stock to outperform from underperform. They've also kept the target at 2,550 rupees per share. CLSA believes that the company is reshaping the business for the future. Meanwhile, Jefferies has lifted its FY21 EPS estimate by 20% for Jubilant Food Works in order to factor in a better margin profile. The stock is up for a 3rd straight session. Next up, I have India Bulls Real Estate. The stock is set for a best 2-day surge in over 3 years. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's Red Enterprises has acquired 5 million shares in the company yesterday at an average price of 57.73 rupees per share. This is as per the NSE data. Moving on, you have Petronet LNG. That particular counter surged to a 10-week high today following its strong Q2 numbers. The CLSA has upgraded the stock to outperform from underperform. They've also raised their FY21 EPS estimates by 3% and they've kept the target unchanged at 270 rupees per share. CLSA says that while a Kochi regas tariff cut is a risk for Petronet LNG, but lack of Tellurian progress may allay the worst of fears for the firm. The stock is up for a 6th straight session. It's on track for the longest winning streak since October 2019. And these are the stocks that are actually moving in trade today.